Hey there, Scouts. Nice to see you and happy February. Yay, we love February. February's a fun month, isn't it? It's a little shorter than the rest, makes it a little special. And of course, the biggest holiday of all, Abraham Lincoln's birthday. No, just kidding. But it is President's Day for Lincoln and Washington as well, now that I think about it. But no, of course, what is in February? Valentine's Day. We love Valentine's Day. I know that you, like myself, have probably been very busy making all kinds of Valentines for people you love. When you make one by hand, it means so much to the people that you love and even the people that you like. So I encourage you to do this. In fact, I encourage you to do this for two reasons. One, because it just feels good to make other people feel good. Two, because this month, one of our featured badges is participating in the FTF, Full-Time Family, Valentine's Day Exchange. So let me remind you, the Valentine's Day Exchange is not just for explorers. It's for anybody in the Full-Time Family Network. So if you want to exchange with somebody maybe that you're traveling with, or that you used to travel with, or you want to travel with, or somebody totally across the country, that's great. Feel free. What we need you to do in that case is post a picture of yourself with the Valentines that you've made, getting ready to send them, or you can get a picture from the person you've sent them to holding their Valentines, and we can use that as evidence too. Either way, your call. So I love this one. This is one of my all-time favorite events that we do. I think it's so fun to send handwritten notes to people across the country. It's so great. So we hope that you will do that. Let me just remind you real quickly about the requirements. If you are 5 to 8 years old, we want you to participate in the Valentine's Day Exchange, which means make the Valentines. Okay. If you are 9 to 12, we'd like you to take a leadership role while you participate in that by helping your younger siblings or younger people around you address and mail those envelopes and get them sent off. If you are 13 to 16, we'd like you to create a handcrafted Valentine for everybody in your family as well as participate in the exchange. I'll tell you what, moms are a sucker for that. We love that. So those are some great ideas. The second badge that we are going to feature this month is the FTF event participation badge, because so many of you are going to be at the rally in Tampa or may have just been at the rally in California. That's a great chance to get that badge, because the rallies are just a few times a year, so it's not always easy to get that one, but this is a great opportunity for you to do that. So while you're there, knock it out. If you're 5 to 8, you're going to help set up and clean up at least 2 rally activities. If you're 9 to 12, we're going to ask you to set up and clean up 2 activities and begin an impromptu game with people like Duck Duck Goose, musical chairs, or somebody that might be just a little bit younger than you. That would be great help to everybody involved, I think. If you are 13 to 16, we're going to ask that you help set up and clean up 2 activities, plan a craft or another structured rally activity, and for that you're going to want to work with the rally wagon master to get on the official schedule. If you are planning on doing that, as I said last month, you need to do that quickly with Kimberly Travaglino at the Tampa rally so that she can get you set, because I know that their official schedule is set. I also know she's generally pretty flexible. If there's time, she'll be happy to add that for you. And I think at the Tampa rally, there's already a few levels of crafting events scheduled, so you could also help facilitate one of those, and we would love to count that as part of it. All right, so that takes care of the 2 featured badges. I know that you have tuned in primarily to find out who the Scout of the Month is. So, without further ado, the Scout of the Month is the lovely, the talented, the spectacular Stephanie Church. The crowd goes wild. Stephanie has been busting through all those badges so that she is ready to cross over in Tampa with her brother and the rest of you. She is super excited and done an amazing job. Way to go, Stephanie. We're so proud of you and all your progress. I just sent out a big packet of badges for you and your brother that will be there at the rally by the time you get there. Great job. So excited for you. So keep working through them. Way to go. Also, I hope that you all had a chance to check out on the website the photos of the Contreras Reeves kids as they were crossing over, Rachel and Daniel. They did their crossover to Pioneer in California at that rally, and the pictures were fantastic. They looked so proud, and we were so proud of you. We know how much work you put in. So great job. That looked fantastic. And I'm sure that you have thanked and squeezed and loved on your mother for all her help in that, right? It was pretty amazing that you guys were able to accomplish all that and the crossing over the same time you were launching. And then you had all the mechanical problems and you still did it. That is perseverance. Way to go. We love to see that. So very proud of you too. If you haven't had a chance, the rest of you, to go look at those pictures, make sure you do that. They're pretty great. Remember, there's an upcoming crossover at Tampa at that rally. And there's quite a few of you crossing over, so I cannot wait to see pictures from that. I wish we could fly in for that. That would be amazing. So can't wait to see the crossover rally there at the rally. There's a bunch of activities. I really encourage you to go to the Facebook page for the Sweetheart Soiree for full-time families, because there are tons of activities and you're not going to want to miss a single one. I would love it if you would specifically think as you're there of taking pictures to post online so that the rest of us who can't be in Tampa right now can see what you're doing. We'd love to see pictures of that. Okay. Also, the Pioneer level for the next book is almost done. However, I went back and cut 4 badges that I felt like were too repetitive. So I'm still looking for some ideas to backfill some of those spaces. So if you've got great ideas, if you come across something on the road and think, man, this was so awesome, we should get a badge for this, please let me know. I'd love to have some thoughts on writing those up. All right, let me just check my handy dandy thing. I think we're good. Oh, yes, there are a few missing badges. And I think most of them are going to be sent to the rally ahead of time, but I know that there are just a few that we are still missing out on. So I've written you a note if you've earned that, and it says something like, you know, I owe you this badge or that badge. I think there's only 3 badges left that we haven't ordered. Okay? All right. So without further ado, I think it's time to take the oath, don't you? One moment, let me pull it up. You get your stuff together and make sure that you are ready. And we will raise our right hands. Sorry, just had a technical issue. Thought I'd be all clever and do it on the computer this time. What was I thinking? All right, here we go. So, if you will, raise your right hand. Here we go. The Explorer. Sorry. Here we go. Okay, here we are. I promise to seek opportunities to help my friends, family, and fellow explorers and my community at large. I will learn about myself and the world around me by acquiring new skills and embarking on new experiences. And I will share my knowledge, time, and talents generously. I am a full-time family explorer, and this is my creed. Great job. I miss y'all. I hope you're doing great out there. I hope you're having a great time. We are socked in. I'll show you a picture. It's hideous. Here's what's happening in Colorado. Ugh. Ridiculous amounts of snow. I know some of you choose that. I am not one of them. So we're going to go dig out again. And I hope you are all having fun, and send me pictures of all of your fun stuff in all the warm, sunny places. I hope to see you all soon. Have a great week. Bye.